what happened next? Jennifer, your group, shut up.
Soviet Union collapsed.
Good.
And Ukraine became independent.
Good job. So, that's when the former Soviet Union ended, they collapsed, and then of course, at the same time, the independence of Ukraine. Now, what's next? 2008. Russia invaded Georgia, but not so much about Ukraine. Try again. You sure? Go ahead.
Russia-Ukraine gas dispute.
Not there yet. Come on, something more specific.
2008 political crisis within Ukraine.
You have to be more specific.
The president was re-elected.
And then
And then
he or she, was that she? He decided to
reform the government.
They
opposition party approved.
date who?
They issues that Ukraine and Russia could not agree on the debt owned by Ukraine.
Not there yet. The new president was elected because he actually proposed something, and he actually did it, and he actually upset Russia. What did he decide?
He decided to propose a coalition with two different political parties.
That's who? You are so close, Alex. So close. Was he pro-Russia or was he more toward the other Western side of the power? If it's Western side of power, which power would he turn to?
U.S.
US. And that's who?
President Bush.
How would he say something like, hey, we need your help here. Obama, not Obama, whoever that was. Who was it? I don't know. Can you help me? Usually they wouldn't say that. They would call for the help from an organization. But NATO. That was the year when Ukraine first time applied the membership to NATO. So Alex gets a little bit, and you guys get the help, and then you also get a little bit. 你们那一组好像吃太多会不会蛀牙啊？Okay, so not over yet. So obviously they tried, but they didn't succeed. So it failed. You will not believe who denied them the membership, the application. Germany and UK denied the application. Now they regret it a lot, probably. But anyway, so that's what happened. 2014. Oh, 终于会了哈. Let's hear them out. Maybe they're not right.
The Ukraine president Yanukovych was withdrawn by the Protestants, escaped to the eastern Ukraine, which led to the consequence of military conflict. And at the meantime, Russian attacked Ukraine and has taken Crimea Peninsula.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, next time. So that's when things got really heated, right? So the people in Crimea, they had a referendum, they claimed their independence. Like one day in the morning, yoo-hoo, we're independent. And then Russia went like, good for you. And then Ukraine were like, whatever. So that's what happened with Crimea. It got really, really awkward because people see them, or actually there's no, as a matter of fact, people in Crimea, they speak Russian. None of them speak Ukrainian. Isn't that weird? But they were considered as part of Ukraine. So that's you can understand how it feels, right? So basically, they actually claim their independence, and Russia, of course, continue by supported by annexing with them, right? You remember the word annexing? Annexing is the one of the vocabulary item, right? Karen helped you out, right?